What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best leaf blowers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. If you're looking for a small, inexpensive leaf blower to tackle small tasks, such as blowing leaves off your porch or patio, the Chemo Cordless leaf blower is the way to go. The compact tool weighs just 2 pounds, making it extremely easy for anyone to handle, and its 2-in-1 design allows you to vacuum up debris, as well as blow leaves around. This leaf blower has a TOVIA battery that charges in just 60 minutes, and it can run at its top speed for up to 20 minutes. The tool comes with a reusable collection bag for those times you want to use it as a vacuum, and its small size is great for cleaning out your car, blowing leaves out of gutters, and even clearing snow off stairs. Number 4. Multitask with the Greenworks cordless leaf blower vacuum that has an internal mulching function to break down large leaves, grass, small sticks, and other debris for efficient and compact disposal in a yard bag. Simply attach the vacuum tube to the bottom of the machine and connect the bag to the outlet. When the blower is equipped with a fully charged battery, it can last for about 20 minutes, running at an airspeed of up to 185 miles per hour with an airflow volume of 340 cfm. This machine also has 6 speed settings that can be adjusted with the variable speed dial. It weighs just 5.6 pounds and comes with a 40-volt battery, a battery charger, and a vacuum bag to collect grass and leaves. In our test of the blower's functionality, we noted that the blower tube is narrower than the other battery-operated blowers. This made for a higher airspeed and slightly lower volume. It cleared wet and dry leaves well but seemed to take a bit longer to do so. In the vac mulch configuration, it only struggled sucking up the large, stiff, dried leaves of our magnolia tree because they clogged the tube. The impeller mechanism had no problems grinding them to a fine mulch. Number 3. Be misled by the Dewalt's low airspeed, the slowest in the test. The airstream is well-shaped and productive. It carved out a large rectangular area in our sawdust test. The tool has good balance, and we found it was easy to use it in a sweeping motion in our leaf test. It cleaned out the area quickly, if not perfectly. Its brief run time, however, suggests that the tool is best used on small patches of leaves or for jobs like construction site cleanup or sweeping out the garage. Its design for these purposes is clear, judging by the hefty skid plate below the blower housing and battery that should help this tool withstand rough and tumble use. Number 2. The lightweight BLACKDECKER electric leaf blower is a great option if the blower will be used for more than 1 hour at a time. Users won't need to wait for a battery to recharge or have to make a trip to the gas station with this corded electric tool that can run as long as there is an active electrical connection. However, movement is limited by the length of the extension cord, so it's a good idea to invest in a cord that can reach the entire yard. In our test runs, this blower worked very well for dry leaves and grass clippings on hard surfaces or mowed grass, but less so with wet leaves and debris among taller grass. This leaf blower operates on a 7-amp motor with just one speed setting, allowing users to focus on the task at hand instead of worrying about switching speeds throughout the job. The maximum airflow volume is 180 cfm at 180 miles per hour. And the leaf blower also includes a built-in cord retainer to help ensure the extension cord stays connected, even if it gets caught on a deck, tree, or any other obstacles in the yard. Number 1. Make quick work of yard cleanup with the Ego Power Plus 56-volt cordless leaf blower. It is easily controlled with a variable speed trigger, cruise control dial, and turbo button to move up to 650 cfm of air. We found in our tests that a longer than average body and blow tube reached farther under shrubs than the others, with ample power to clean out built-up debris and matted leaves. This was the most powerful blower we tested but also the heaviest at 10.2 pounds. Most of the extra weight is in the huge battery that also gave this blower the longest runtime. We liked that this blower moved more air with the press of the turbo button, but wondered why not simply boost the top-end power at the trigger. Also, the battery weighs a lot more than the others, making us wonder if it really makes sense to add more weight just to carry it longer. This blower offered the strongest air handling ability of all the battery-powered blowers we tested. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.